You have created us in love, and saved us in your mercy, and through the bond of marriage, you have established a family, and the will that it should become a sign of Christ's love for His church. Shower your blessings in the family gathered here in your name, enable those who are joined by one love to support one another by their fervor of spirit and devotion to prayer. Make them responsive to the needs of others, and the witnesses to the faith in all they say and do. We ask this through Christ our Lord.
Amen.
And the Almighty God bless you, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Amen.
And the word was made flesh.
On the occasion celebrating the day when you are vested as a cardinal, and which we have also combined with the day when you were ordained Episcopal ordination as Bishop, 22nd November 1881. Then you were vested as a cardinal in Rome on 26th November 1994. So November is a very special year for you.
Now Father Bon is going to read for us this message.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.